Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam has blamed the concerned MP for allegedly trying to misguide the masses over state issues, which has been discussed earlier in the assembly. He made the accusation while speaking to media persons in his Babupara office today. He further mentioned that the concerned MP is ignoring the long-pending issues on illegal migrants, border tension and others. United People's Front Manipur today celebrated its 21st Foundation Day at the Lisamlog Community Hall of Senapati District. UPF President W. Second, JCILPS Co-Convener YK Dhiren Maitai, Lisamlog Village Chief AS Amo, Chairperson of Sunaulong Lisamlog H. Angamfi, along with President of Lisamlog Sporting Youth Club H. Benjamin and Pastor Absalom Zimig attended the event. Addressing the occasion, H. Benjamin stressed on the need to maintain honesty and unity among the people for building a stronger society. The Agartala-Bangalore Humsafar Express would bypass Howrah from January 7, 2020 and will also have two new stoppages at Dankuni and Andul. The Bangalore Cantonment Agartala Humsafar Express is one of the Humsafar Expresses operated by the Indian Railways that runs on a weekly basis. Clarifying the stand taken by Russia on the Kashmir issue in the United Nations, Russian envoy to India Roman Babuskin today said that there would be no international interference as the repeal of special status was a domestic affair of India. Babuskin's statement assumed significance as Russia's support for India during the close consultations in UN Security Council earlier this month was seen to have come with a twist, as it had made references to the United Nations resolutions that New Delhi regards as defunct. All Manipur Students' Union AMSU today observed its 54th Foundation Day at its headquarters office located inside DM University campus Imphal. To mark the occasion, an awareness cum voluntary blood donation camp was held in association with Department of Transfusion Medicine, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Lamphel, and State Blood Cell National Health Mission Manipur, with an objective to ensure early justice to the victims and their families, and also to encourage them and empower them in the process of criminal justice delivery system, and to sensitize different stakeholders, public and society. A one-day consultation cum sharing on crime against women and children in Manipur was held today at Hotel Classic North AOC Imphal. The event was organized by Women Action for Development, Palace Compound, Imphal East. After Japanese encephalitis has claimed 5 lives in Manipur, another has been tested with positive case of Japanese encephalitis. The person is said to be from Khurai Kongpal Ningthaubung Leiral and is currently undergoing treatment at Jenims Imphal. The Supreme Court today decided to examine the legal challenge against the centre's decision to abrogate Article 370, which gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir, and to refer the matter to a 5-judge constitution bench. According to reports, the Apex Court issued notices to the centre and Jammu and Kashmir administration on a batch of pleas challenging the presidential order by which Article 370 was abrogated. Lunar lander spacecraft Chandrayaan-2 was maneuvered into a closer orbit to the moon this morning. The Indian Space Research Organisation said it performed a nearly 20-minute third orbit action on the spacecraft, which had been orbiting the moon since August 20. The action was done from its telemetry, tracking and command network facility in Bengaluru. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan is considering a complete closure of airspace to India, a federal minister said amid growing tensions between the two countries following New Delhi's decision to end Kashmir's special status.